At Bolsa Chica Ecological Preserve, this section of a walking trail is littered with fragments of seashells. Who could have done this? At low tide, they dive to pick up cockle in the channel. Then they fly up to certain height in the air and drop it. They probably learned how to break the shells from their own mistakes. And they learned how to eat clams from watching other shorebirds.
Did you see it drop? No. By accident, you see that? Oh no, it lost this time. It lost. Oh no. I dropped it. Okay, okay. It has it. It has it.
Here, a whalelet is eating a razor clam when a gull shows up and steals it.
That's not nice. Stealing is not nice.